So the time that you normally, maybe for instance, maybe February, you normally administer deworm on your beds. Maybe the first one you administer was February 25. You should know that the next one should be April 21st. Are you getting it? Since you administer one on the 20th of 21st of February, so the next one, because there must be at least, depending on the activeness or effectiveness of the drug that you bought. Are you getting it? So you must schedule your time. It should be at least 2 months interval. Please don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, like, comment, ask questions. Thank you very much for watching.